Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials: a clear profile photo, a concise bio that states what you offer, and one specific niche to target. Once done, link and verify your accounts to boost trust and access app features. Now make sure to outline 7 to 10 content ideas so you can post consistently. Schedule the first 3 posts within 48 hours. Doing these first moves fast-tracks visibility and signals professionalism to both the app and new followers. Once your profile and initial posts are live, focus on content that teaches or helps. Tips, how-tos, and behind-the-scenes clips perform well because they offer clear value. Make sure to add targeted tags and any local filters to place you in front of the right viewers. This increases discovery. While posting, spend 20 to 30 minutes daily engaging. Reply to comments, comment on similar creators, and invite brief collaborations. These actions build reciprocal attention, and you finish by analyzing 7-day metrics to see which formats drive follows and which do not, then double down on the winners. If growth stalls, run one small promoted boost to jumpstart discovery and measure the lift. Make sure to /B test captions and posting times for a week to refine reach. If reach still drops, troubleshoot by clearing caches, relinking accounts, and shifting your posting schedule. This often restores visibility and corrects algorithmic downshifts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.